All right. Looks like we we are live. Yes, we are live. All right. That's cool. All right. So where is UJ? Because I hate this pair. I mean, as you see it in the title. I see my peoples winning out there, man. That's what I like. I like to see people winning, bro. Like to see people winning. And I mean, well, we don't really know for sure who's winning, who's not. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm like a break even trader. I do things stupid and then I don't follow my own rules just like everybody else. But hey, let me just clear this chart. We're on the daily with it. We're on the daily with it. Listen, I like simplicity when it comes to trading. I don't like 1,000 rules and all that stuff. And I believe whoever watched some of my old streams, I'm not lit like that. So my streams aren't gonna have people just tuning in like that. You guys usually catch it on the flip side. You know what I'm saying? Like after I'm done streaming, and that's cool. I'm with that. I like it. People busy. I'm not popping like that. I'm not a big time trader or anything like that. But growth. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to the people who've been watching my content though, cause it's hard out here. It's really hard. Matter of fact, I had to restart my computer, delete some files from my computers to free up some space just to stream again. I know some of y'all are like, dang, man, he's been cutting these videos short. He's been doing this, man. I know. It's all good though. We here. All right. Let me make that disclaimer like I always do. Listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not professional. I'm not someone that will tell you what to do with your money. I'm not none of that. You know what I'm saying? So, I take risks when I enter the market, and you are taking a risk as well. There's no for sure way in winning money, and there's no, obviously, there's no for sure way of you losing money. However, most of us do lose. All right. So I had to put that disclaimer out there. But we are here to try to prevent us from losing. You feel me? So here we are. IRL to ERL. Now, as 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 what people say, and this is why I'm leaving it hindsight. You know what I'm saying? Because again, I don't have the luxury of being able to, I have the replay tool. However, I don't have the luxury of having uh, a terabyte of space so my computer can roam freely. So that's fine. We're gonna do hindsight. We could see what Price did, and Price didn't do, and all that other stuff. All right. So IRL to ERL. Basically, Price seeks external range liquidity, comes back in and seeks external range liquidity, right? So price seeks internal range. I'm sorry. So price goes from external to internal to external. So we have a clear sign of that right here, right? We have a external, then we have internal, and then we have external again. Let me go in a little bit. We have external again, and then we have internal. Oh, it didn't even take it there, but it did here. So we'll Well, there is internal range, so you know what? We'll put that there up. See, I got some of that stuff. It's all right. Let that thing pop up. All right, cool. All right, and then we have internal again right here, and we have internal here. We have external here. Those are relatively equal highs too. We can see that we're going for that. That looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. So, with that being said, does price move like that? Yeah, it does, right? It does. But how can we get into the trades? How can we take advantage of this, right? How do we know when price is going to be overbought or oversold, or when it's going to turn around and maneuver the opposite way? Well, there's different ways. There's different ways, and we are going to tap into that. All right. So since we're on UJ, and I really hate this because look, let me show you why I hate UJ. You see this? It's just been up. Let's see where yeah, look. All right, there it goes. Okay. All right. Well, that's the reason why I hate UJ, because it's just been going up basically. Obviously there's a reason for it. And that's not for this video, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. All right. So it's been we have a strong movement just going up. Strong movement up. So we know we are in a uptrend. So since we are in an uptrend, right? Has there been like a major shift? Like right here, we have this major shift. And that's what we are going to be using right here. There's a major shift and price just started moving down. Where is price most likely going to target? Relatively equal lows. So these are relatively equal, right? And how did price, after this crazy market structure shift, what did price do? So price went up, went down, went up, went down, went up a little bit, down, went up, went down some more. All right. So that's what the market does all the time. Like, let's see, going up. All right. Market structure shift here is beautiful too. Market structure shift, and then came back down, retested, then started moving up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, baby, down. That was small retracement. And then a big move up and a nice move down. All right. So now let's look and see how we can start catching. So this is the daily chart again, but we're going to start looking at things on the hour chart, right? We're going to start looking at stuff on the hour chart. I'm just excited. So you probably hear it, but I love trading. I have a passion for it, and I hope you do as well. Um, all right, let's look at this area here. So there there is a low with this significant push down low. We know for sure, obviously with hindsight, we know that there's a willingness to sell. There is a straight willing to just go lower. The market started pushing lower and lower and lower and lower after this big drop here. So it wants to seek liquidity on the opposite side. So that's what that's what price does, or like that's what it does. It just like seeking liquidity from the opposite side. This low was taken, boom. All right, now we're gonna go take this high. All right, after we took high there, let's pull back. Right? We didn't get that major push like we got that, like we see here. But we had a push lower, right? We had a push lower right here, a nice market structure shift, and we traced back up, and there was a gap in here. It closed that gap, filled it, and then sold again. So now we see that price went from internal, and there has to be a fair value gap over here. Yes. Well, this one was filled. All right, so we have another PD array. We have another PD array right here. Does it hit the? Let me see. We're on a daily time frame too. Does it hit the 50? Oh shoot! Look at that. These three, four, and it rolled all the way to the top. That's wild. We'll see if let's start doing that. This is a major one. It came pretty close. It like kissed it, but obviously the last two, did it respect it? Yes, it did. That's wild. The last two down. All right, so basically these are swings. So I'm assuming after every swing, and we'll get in a little bit more because we're moving from internal to external. Now I'm pretty sure this don't happen every day. Like probably on smaller time frames. So what I did was to not block it. You know what? It's all right. So you could take your fib. What I did was I took the Gone chart, the Gone box right here. So you go in here, and then you see this Gone box right here. I, you grab it, right? You stretch it out. Now yours is gonna have like a whole bunch of boxes and all that. You look in your settings is gonna have all these like this. Just screenshot it, and these are the coordinates that I use for it. I like to see the candle, so I put this down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So we can see what we working with. All right. So now that you have that, you can use it like a like a fib, basically, right? So you use it as a fib, and the 50, the point zero, the 0.5 level is your 50 level. Now, from this swing low to this swing high, mind you, these are days. So it took a couple of days for this to form. But if we were here, right? If we were here, we would see that there's a fair value gap right in between here. But not only that, not only we have a fair value, let me draw that. Not only we have a fair value gap, right? But we have an order block here. So we can target, let's see if the 50% of that works. Let's see. Look, this is a case study, my peoples. You know, this is a case study. Look at that. It like gets right on it. Look, it's like right there though. It's like right there. It's like it's not really touching it, but it's right there. It's like right there. That's crazy. So I would, you know what I would do? I would get on the hour time frame. The hour. Once we see a, let me see. Can I get? Matter of fact, let me see if I can. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. That's all right. I'll show y'all that at the end. But let me see if I can get us close to that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They done messed up now. They done messed up now. All right, the hour chart, right? We on the hour chart. Look, as soon, this was the area here. Oh wait, it did touch. Nah, it didn't. Ah, man, that was close. That was close though. All right, look, y'all. So the rule was we wait to be in the kill zone, right? So we can trade two ways. We could trade to it and from it. So let's see what time this, oh man, this right here happened. This was the break. So that happened at the end of the day. So we're not looking for that. Let's see this. This happened at 8 a.m. So at 8, it pushed down. At 9, it came in. 10, it started moving up. Now we have a shift, right? We have a shift. And this the hour chart. This the hour chart, gang. Look at that. A market structure shift. And price did, I mean, well, because this is a hour chart, there is a fair value gap right there. So price literally went into the fair value gap. Well, look, we got to draw it out too, right? Went into the fair FVG, the little gap right there, filled it in. Didn't quite touch this OB here, but it's within the wick of it. That's fine. Take our chances. Our chart, boom, and then guess what? Guess what time frame this was in? What kill zone was that? Let's see. What kill zone was that? I don't know why it's not popping up. That's weird. I might have All right, it's all right. But you know what? Let me show you what kill zone that's in. Oh, that's the New York close. New York close. All right, so if we didn't catch that, price came up again, came back down, fair value gap again. Order block. This time it tapped it during, oh, yeah, Asia. So let's do it from this fair value gap. Yeah, at the bodies. I'm a body person. Because if it's gonna go lower than the body, that means that we could most likely be wrong. You know what I'm saying? So, and then we're gonna aim for this high right here. This thing, aim for this high right here. Boom. That's a 1 to 5. It's a 1 to 5. So did it? Did it do it? Yeah, it did. It did. Even if we got him right here during Asia, because guess what? This is an Asia pair. So we could have rode Tokyo from here and got all the way, and that would have been a 1 to 3. That's still a good risk to reward, bro. That's good, bro. Let's do it again. Like I know that's crazy because like we here, but nah, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. You know what I'm saying? That's only one, you know. So, all right, look at this. Nah, that's it's too choppy. All right, this one right here. So we on our way. Actually, wait. It might be too far. All right, yeah, that's too far. All right, so say we have that major swing, right? You know what? Yeah, we're gonna use this. All right, cool. This swing right here, boom. Where's that? Where's the high at? Right here. So dang. So we might be like, yo, why? But I'm pretty sure that there's other charts that are doing this too. So we won't have to focus literally on one chart. We could probably go on any chart, but I hate this pair. And hate is a strong word, by the way. I don't like that word, but I really don't like this chart. So we're gonna keep rocking with it. I hate this chart. You feel me? So we are going to draw the fair value gap because that's what it looks like it's doing. It looks like it's seeking fair value, hence the word fair value, FVG, not the word, the words. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a little excited. You feel me? So anyway, it's seeking fair value in a range. So once there's a swing, one of the time frames it will show that we are seeking fair value, but the daily chart is like a strong chart. So we're gonna just keep rocking with that. I'm pretty sure the weekly will show us some craziness too, but I like this one. Um so look, you had a shift in market structure and price just kept falling. Then with this range, out of this range, it looks like price is seeking a fair value gap. But why not this one? You know what I'm saying? Why not this one? Well, guess what? Majority of this one, right? Um, this FVG right here is in premium still. Yeah, yeah. This one is in premium. You see that? It's wild. So because this fair value gap is in premium, it just disrespected it. It just whoop straight through. Yeah, I wouldn't want to buy something still in premium either. So the next fair value gap, right? The next area of interest would be here. It'll be here. Oh, all right. What am I doing? I'm smoking something. I promise you. Nah, I'm not. Don't do drugs, y'all. All right. So it came and took. It basically was seeking fair value, and now that this range has been tapped into, and we're in deep discount, we could take a trade from the hour chart somewhere in this area here. Let's see where. And then I bet you it's going to be around that area where like the bodies start. Yeah, around where the bodies start. So let's take a look at that. Right? Let's see, that's where price is currently. Yeah, we're not going to do where we at. Where we at? All right, we getting close. I'm pretty sure. Yep, here we are. All right. Again, this the hour chart, my guys. All right. So we right now, what we doing is looking for a kill zone. Whew. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look. So we hit our zone, right? Our zone is the basically this area here. So this is our zone. We closed the gap, right? And we consolidated. Now it looks like we consolidated for a couple of days, a few days. Oh, oh, you seen that, right? You seen what time it was? It was Asia again, bro. So this pair looked like Asia and New York. Like once you get in Asia, it looks like that'll be a low for the day. All right, so Monday, right? We do get a push up. Does it close above though? Does it close? Oh, it does. Look at this. Look, look. Market structure shift right here. Wow. And does it? It just closed. But that's a little shaky. We don't like that. We don't like shaky. All right. So we wait. So we wait. We don't do shaky. So we wait. You know what I'm saying? This, just keep an eye on this candle here, right? Just keep an eye on this candle, right? Look at this candle because this candle right here took the low, right? This candle here made the low. Look up here, it says the low of the candle is 146.484. See this one, 146.488. So this candle here was the low. So that means I'm looking for the next structure break to be higher than here. And it was, right? It was. Now at 10 p.m., 10 p.m., it started moving, started doing that craziness, right? Another thing I should have said was to look for the 12 a.m. candle for the next day. We're not even going to get into that right now. That one would be for the next video. That's going to be for the next stream. You feel me? I'm about to drop that heat. But this one, I'm actually like really learning on how we gonna do this because we need that money on. We need that money. So we want to be successful in trading. So we gotta practice. This is me practicing. You know what I'm saying? So boom. Say what time is it? Oh, 8 a.m. All right. That's in New York. That's in New York. So We get in here. We're gonna put it at the last swing low. You know, I like the bodies. Let's do the bodies. I like it. I realistically, I do the body because if you disrespect the body, I don't. You know, we wrong. You feel me? All right, so we want to target the next high. The high is right here, so we're gonna target that. Right? Because we going from internal right here to external, so we want to violate that. That's a 1 to 6.8, bro. That's we catching weekly swings. Look at that. Oh man, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So only thing we need to do is just look for a swing and a target point and see where we going from. Where we coming from. So we coming from internal, that means we gotta seek external. That's beautiful. Look at that. On the hour chart, you can flex. You can do whatever. Like, but we're not here to flex, y'all. We here to make money. Get on it. Get in the chart. Get in the trade, and that's it. Let's see how long it would have taken us. Let's see how long. So the trade started. Trade started right here. So yeah, this a whole. Yeah, we swinging. That's 7 days and 3 hours. But let's see how much. 7 days and 3 hours. See how much we would have went crazy though. Look at that. Oh my. Like y'all tell me if that's worth holding that long, bro. To me it is. Like to me that's you holding on for dear life, but dang, that's crazy. Holding on for dear life, but the reward is, oh man, that reward is crazy. Let's look for one more, and then I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a stream because I gotta try this myself. You feel me? And I'll get back to you and let you guys know. Um, Today, I don't know if you saw at the end, I caught the market close of Nas. Oh my God, that thing went crazy. Nas, Nas went insane. Nas went bonkers, bro. You already know. I mean, if y'all when y'all see it, y'all see the date. You know, I'll leave it at the top for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But all right. So the last swing point is here. Why not here though? Oh, oh, because we just took. Oh no, this high right here. Okay, so this. So after the high is a swing. Okay, that makes sense. Let's try. Let's just try it out and see if we count that and it goes up high. All right, so we're about to see if UJ can actually be a good pair to trade. I probably won't hate it as much. If no. All right, let's see. So we have this swing low, right? That's the laundry. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. But after this high was taken right here, it came just low, made a swing on the daily, another swing. So we're gonna see. I made a swing here, but I don't know. I this swing, I didn't even see that swing. So we're gonna just stick with this. This swing happened, and then it's here. So if this was here, we would see where we would target, and then how, and then all right. So let's do it. Last one of the night. Last one. I kind of already see it. Dang, that's crazy. I kind of already see it. So obviously we have this crazy FVG, this crazy FVG right here. Oh man, and there's an order block, and they like, yo, it kissed it, bro. Now, if you was able to pinpoint this, that was a that was at 5. But what time did this happen? This happened at 9 a.m. Oh my gosh, during London. Oh, dang, man, that's wild, bro. That's wild. All right, but if you, there's some people that can catch something like this. That's the crazy. There's people out there that can catch that. Like, and if you get in down here, you are so ooh, hats off to you. But all right, let's get back to it. We tap into fair value, right? It's like equal lows, and then we have that fair value gap right here. Dang, man, and it cleared it. Literally went in, came back up, and then did its thing. So we are going to zoom in and wait for this structure here to get violated. So we went into the AOI, the area interest. Oh, wrong button. And we took it right here, closed above, kept going. Now, this candle here is responsible for this, right? It looks like this candle, because it didn't go higher than this. So now since we have this move up, let's look for another. There's a fair value gap here. It's not another swing. No, it's not another swing. This is a swing. This, yeah, yeah. Let me see. Because we're trying this out right now. Oh shoot! Look at that. Tapped it. Tapped it 50% of the range. Gave it to us. It gave it to us. All right. All right, right there. So if this wasn't there, I will put my and then look, you also have like an inverted fair value gap right here too. So let's see. No, matter of fact, let's get a little creative. Okay, yeah. That's actually where I would put my a little bit above that. A little bit to give it wiggle room, but there is a fair value gap here too. Could have got psyched in. But just remember, all of this is happening on hours, so it doesn't matter. This is a New York, boom, click like, come on, New York. This closed above. This candle here is the last one, the highest one up. So what we're gonna do? Let's on a realistic. We're gonna enter from here. New York, New York, London close starts. Yeah, we in right there because we already missed all of that. If but say man, we're gonna do it from we're gonna do it from here. We're gonna be realistic. Now, yes, just like that. Just like that. It should not go lower than there. All right. Now we're gonna target because we gotta be realistic, y'all. In real life, I wouldn't have gotten in that. I would have had to go on a smaller time frame in order for me to catch that. Oh my God, what kind of risk to reward are we gonna have? Oh man, oh my God, that's the next high. That's a 1 to 14 basically. Oh my, yeah, but look how long we got taken out. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Nope. You see me. You can't move down. You can't move down. Nah, we would have still been in the trade. Dang, man, this is a long trade. We could have caught a lot, but we still trying to see if yeah, yeah, there it went. Look at that. We would have been in drawdown one time. Honestly, as soon as I would have seen a break of structure, me personally, honestly, after that break of structure coming down, I probably would have took it. That's a lot of pips right there. We don't need to go for glory all the time. We don't need to go for glory all the time, bro. It's a crazy risk to reward, though. 226 pips, or I should say, that's points. But that's 2 days. That's a day. That's a day right there. No, that's my bad. That's a week. Yeah, yeah, nah. After that, yeah, nah. We securing that. I'm sorry. Yeah, we definitely securing that. I'm securing at least me personally. I would have secured that. Yeah, that was good. So we look for. So this is what we do. I was. This is. I'm not gonna lie, man. This was a good. Me. All right, there we go. So so first thing we do is first thing we do is I'm getting excited. One, go onto the higher time frame and see where price is coming from. Internal or external. Right? Internal or external, basically. Here I am with this all right here. Okay, cool. All right, so after we see that, we pinpoint the internal range or external range liquidity and mark them out. We wait for the draw on liquidity. Then go to the hour time frame and wait for a kill zone to enter. During kill zone, wait for a clear market structure shift. I'm gonna shift. Enter at the shift order block and or because sometimes they overlapping each other. The fair value gap, also known as FVG. And actually, we are missing a step. Wait for the draw on liquidity and uh, draw on internal range liquidity after price enters discount or premium fair value zone. So that's what we're gonna call it. So let's see if that makes sense. So yeah, go onto the higher time frames. I should put monthly, monthly, weekly, daily, and see where price is coming from, internal or external. Okay, cool. and then pinpoint the internal or external range liquidity and mark them out. Okay, and wait for the draw on internal range liquidity after price enters discount or premium, the fair value zone. All right, then go to the 1 hour time frame and wait for a kill zone to enter. Yes. This part right here is so important. Like, we need to, this part right here is what makes and breaks the trade. Where's that star? Right here. All right. And then during kill zone, wait for a clear market structure shift. You can't be too antsy, y'all. You can't be too antsy. And then enter at the shift of, the market structure shift, order block, and or fair value gap. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Did we just? There we go. There we go. So, yo, take a screenshot. I think that was a good way to look at it. Going to, yeah, guys, it's been real. Um, dang man, we learned this on a chart that I don't like trading on. That's crazy. On a currency pair, I do not like trading on. I really don't, but it looks like we can hold some crazy trades if we, you know. But try this on a demo account first. Like, I went back and dry tested. I will call it, not back testing. I say dry testing. You know why? Because back testing, I feel like you would have to use the replay tool, and we didn't do that. But it's all good. We here. Um, this was a good learning point for me. I seen so many videos, but some people like to complicate things. If we, I like simplicity. Like, I love being able to do things in a simple way. I'm still going to practice some more. I'm still going to do some more back testing with this, because just just look at those runs. Like, just imagine you catching one of those, and you just, like, you're holding, and you're literally watching the trade just go crazy. Like what we just seen, like, imagine that. Trade's just going completely insane. We murdering it. And this is a currency pair. Imagine oil. Imagine gold. Imagine US 30. Because when you have say you have a $1,000 account, right? And you enter with a point 10, right? Say you entered in on a point 10, and you do that for like a month straight. Yeah, that point 10 adding up, you'll get to point 20s and point 50s no time. And after getting to point 50, shoot. I mean, to me, point 50s, that's real money. That's money that you can, once you get to 10,000, those weekly trades that we were seeing earlier today, we will be able to kill those. We'll be able to kill those. Point 0.5, walk away, don't even look back at it. You saw those stop losses. Those are tight stops. Tight stops. I say go back test if you can, if you got the replay button on Trading View. If you don't, I would say, just do it the way we was just practicing just now. And then also, if you are going to trade like this, please use a demo account. Practice on a demo. It won't hurt you. All right. It's Pursuit of Happiness. Your boy AB the Ghost. If you don't follow us on follow the Telegram channel, it's free. You know what I'm saying? A little community there, it's free. Um Tap in. We'll be able to talk there. And yeah, that's basically it, man. It's a new year, new way of trading. We are heading for the top. I wish you guys a nice and happy weekend. I'll probably get on just to go over the week. And if I happen to find something, I'll let you guys know. All right. Obviously, you guys see me on here. All right, y'all.